Leader software release version 7.5 for the Leader ZEN Series waveform and rasterizer test and measurement products features the ability to import a 3D LUT and analyze using picture, waveform and vector scope display with the SER23 HDR software license enabled. The 3D LUT import capabilities of the Leader ZEN series will significantly simplify both on-set, post-production and live production workflows where both SDR and HDR are part of the daily production. In this short video, we're going to show you how you import 3D LUTs into the Leader ZEN series waveform and rasterizers, and how you can configure the device to enjoy the benefits that these new features bring. So let's start off by checking that your Leader ZEN series has the SER23 license installed. Select System, F1 Signal In-Out, and then F4 Licenses, which will display all the software licenses that are enabled on your Leader ZEN series product. And as you can see here, SER23, the HDR license, has been enabled. The 3D LUTs are imported into the Leader ZEN series by using a USB key. So the simplest way to create the file structure is to insert the USB key in the front of the device and do a screen grab, and it will create the folder. Here we have LV5600_user. And if I now expand that, you'll find the screen capture will be in the BMP file. Now add a new folder, LUT, and within that folder we're going to place our 3D LUTs. And as you can see here, within the LUT folder I have the MBC Universal HLG 2 SDR version 1.2 LUT as a cube file. The 3D LUT analysis tools are available on the waveform, vector and picture display tools on the Leader ZEN series. On the waveform display, simply select F7 color system and then F5 3D LUT. Then F5 again for the LUT setup. Select the file display and this will show you the 10 slots that you can load the LUTs into. Simply select the LUT number that you want the LUT to correspond to. Then select F4 New LUT Select, and this will display the LUTs that are loaded into the LUT folder on the USB key that's been inserted into the front of the Leader ZEN series. Once you've selected the LUT you require, press F1 Copy USB to List, and the LUT will be installed in the location previously selected. Now, by selecting F1 LUT Selection, you can switch on and select the LUT you require. You'll also notice on the waveform display that the hybrid log gamma scaling with system gamma is displayed on the right hand side of the waveform trace when the LUT is switched off, along with an indication in the bottom right hand side that it is HLG, narrow and 75% reference. When we switch LUT 1 on, we're now monitoring the SDR 709. We can also apply the LUT to the vector scope display, and in the top left hand corner you'll see the color imagery change along with the HDR transfer characteristic and an indication of which LUT we have applied at the time of analysis. As with the waveform and vector display, by selecting F1 you can switch the LUT off and on as required for analysis purposes. You'll also notice that F2 LUT information is displayed, and this can be switched off and on as required for your operational and production requirements. If you have the SER26 customizable layout license, you can then configure multiple analysis tools simultaneously and size and position them for your operational and production requirements. The Leader ZEN series can display simultaneously in HD both the HDR and SDR LUTed analysis with the picture, waveform, CIE color chart and vector scope trace. So this means in a live production environment you don't need any upstream HDR to SDR conversion, because the LUT you are using on your program output has been loaded onto the waveform monitor and allows you to analyze the picture, waveform, CIE color chart and vector that will match exactly what is being transmitted.